Hi guys, just going to give you an example of a 5-minute trade with tradingforprofit.com.au. So we've got a setup here. It's doing what it does. It's not 100% of what I like. I like it to sort of not close right on its low there when we take the trade. So I'm going to do it anyway, just to give you an example of it. So what we're looking there now is we're looking for this to fall over the next 5 minutes. So what we effectively do is we just buy this bet. So we click on buy the bet here, and as you've seen, if you've watched a couple of our other examples there, really simple. It just comes in and it just updates. And what we need to happen here, just to bring this down so you can have a look at the little icons and all the bits and pieces, is we've entered at 2027, maybe just a fraction too late, but I just wanted to give that a little bit of time to bounce around, get a little bit better of an entry price. So it's coming down. So we entered at 113.76. And we entered at 220.27. So what's got to happen is over the next 5 minutes this has got to bounce around, do all the little things that it wants to do, and at 225.26 it has to be below 113.76 to be a successful trade. So we're just going to let that do what it does and travel around and so forth. Yeah, we'll see how we go. So what we do in the webinars, guys, is we teach you how to trade over a 5-minute time frame, a 3-minute time frame, and a 1-minute time frame. And the reason for that is some people like the 5-minute charts because they're just a little bit easier to read and so forth, and not so fast, I guess. And it can be quite easy to be prepared and so forth. 3 minutes and the 1-minute charts are obviously a little bit quicker and so forth. You do need to be a little bit more on your game. But what we do is we teach you the strategies throughout the webinars on all 3 different time frames, so you can get used to it and know what you're doing. It's a pretty simple process. What we do teach is we have you on a practice account first. You learn the strategies and you make sure that you get consistent success while you're on the practice account, and then that way when you actually go to a live account, you know what you're doing. And what we do when you jump onto a live account, guys, you're not starting out with $5,000 or $10,000. We highly suggest that you only start with $200, and the reason being is you need to get your confidence up with trading with money. You need to know what you're doing, and you want to place little $1 trades just to get your feet wet, so to speak. Then once you do that, you can obviously build up and grow further. So if you've watched any other trade examples I've put on, you'll see that it's pretty simple, it's pretty cool. The great thing with this system is you're not having to have a margin account, you're not paying brokerage fees, you're not paying a spread. If you've ever done any forex trading before, you know that they can sometimes be ugly. You're not having, as I said, any overnight positions. You don't have to worry what the market does or any sleepless nights. At the end of this 5-minute time frame, whether this trade's successful for us or not, we're out. It's done. It's over, and we've either got a loss or a win, which is basically what we're looking for. And whatever we do win, guys, is tax free. That's the wonderful thing with this system. It's literally tax-free dollars. So if you're looking to make some part-time income, you can do this at any time of the day. The only time you can't trade this strategy is, I believe it's 8 a.m. till sort of 10:15 a.m. Sydney time, Australia. So you've basically got 22 and a half, 23 and a half hours of the day where you can trade this and make money. So if you've got an hour at night, you're looking for extra income outside of your job, you don't want to get taxed on it depending on the country that you're in, but I know most countries you won't get taxed on this. You got an hour a night and you're prepared to take a small risk. You don't want to risk the family home or bounce the credit card up to some unbelievable rate. Jump on a webinar. We run 3 webinars which teach you step by step what to look for and how to get profitable trades in this system. Once you've done that, You jump on a practice account, as I said, and you learn your craft, you learn your skill, you get good at what you do, and then once you've got that down pat and you've nailed it, then you progress to a live account. So it's a step-by-step strategy to make sure that you've got the best possible chance of success as a trader and in this system. Because the reality of it is, guys, is 95% of people that jump onto the forex market, they fail. They don't have a level of success which everyone says you're going to have, and they end up losing a fair chunk of their coin. So at the end of the day, do you really want to risk that? And when you can start small, start betting $1, progress forward and get your skills set up. And look at this baby right now, right on the line, guys. We've got 7 seconds for it to find some love with us, and look at that. I'm pretty sure that'll end up being a win for us. And the rules followed through. We won by 1 pip here, guys. That is 1 pip. You would not win on a forex trading account under that situation. You'd still be in the middle of a spread wondering what happened. So that is where the power of this is and where the beauty of it is. We'll just quickly update the portfolio because we know this has been a sort of a longer video. And we click on profit table. And as we scroll down here, just so you guys can have a look, don't want to hold any secrets from you, we show you money management systems. Check out the other videos, and you can see there that I did I believe an example on a 1 minute, a 3 minute, and now this is a 5 minute. And the rules are there, guys. You follow them systematically, and you make good profit. And this is all tax free. So if you like what you see, check out our website at www.tradingforprofit.com.au. That's tradingforprofit.com.au, or shoot us an email on info@tradingforprofit.com.au. We can answer any questions you have, and if you like what you see, we'll teach you how to do it. Have a great day. Cheers.